If you're looking for a quick and healthy budget meal, so nag-prepare tayo dito ng tuna salad vegetable or vegetable tuna salad. And then ito yun, sasalain natin muna yung tuna and then i-prepare na natin yung cucumber at lettuce. Ayan, lettuce muna, then andyan yung tomato and then yung cucumber and then narito yung onion. So i-add natin yung boiled egg. So pagkatapos nun, gagawa na tayo ay i-add na natin yung ating tuna salad na ni-strain natin. And then, narito na yung ating dressing. And meron tayong mayonnaise, ketchup, konting asin paminta, lagyan mo ng konting bawang, at meron din tayong squeezed lemon. So, yun yung available nating dressing. Pwede ring yogurt kung meron kayo sa bahay. So, i-mix-mix lang natin yan. And then, ilagay na natin sa ating salad. Pour it gently. Ayan. Pagkatapos nyan guys, halu-haluin lang natin yan hanggang sa ma-well combined na yung ating dressing. And then, in a while, toast it gently. After that, ready na yung ating tuna vegetable salad na napaka-healthy. So, good for dinner or lunch. Ayan, guys. So, for more quick recipe and budget meals, follow for more.